Major distribution, man, my label on my for real. You say I'm persuasive, girl, but you can't spell that for real. In this mansion, I'm Macaulay Culkin. Paid in full, I'm a car fight. Know you're tired, we just did dinner for 3 hours. Lying to me all night. Buying Benz, Benzes out of spite. Cuban girl, a family grind coffee. Text me on the signal, don't call me. Major distribution labels call me. Bad Bunny numbers, it's a robbery. 500 million just for Aubrey. Yeah, major distribution, how I pop it. Mention me to be the hottest topic. Same place you sing your shopping.
Another woman that can take your spot, man.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? Because
live faster, young bad girls do it well. 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 My chain hits my chest when I'm back.